This Piper Saratoga came to Plain Instruments for a Garmin retrofit and a cleaner panel architecture. The project included a Garmin G3X Touch 10.6-inch display, a GDU 7-inch portrait display for engine parameters, a Garmin engine sensor kit, a GNC 215 Navcom, and a new custom panel sheet with painting and silk screen finish. A retrofit is not just about replacing instruments. It is about improving cockpit organization, usability, integration, and long-term serviceability from planning to installation. Every detail matters. Your aircraft could be next. Request a retrofit quote with Plain Instruments.